Hi everybody, this is a quick video to give a few tips about BigBlueButton. The first quick tip I want to give you is to always share your PowerPoints as PDFs. Let me show you some examples so you can see the difference between a PowerPoint and a PDF in BigBlueButton. In the first example you can see I have a small math problem showing. This is the PDF version of my PowerPoint. I'm going to switch to the PowerPoint version to show you the difference. To switch my versions, I'm going to go to the Actions. I'm going to manage my presentations. You can see currently I'm using the PDF. I'm going to click to the PowerPoint. I'm going to confirm and it'll upload. Now that I'm on the same slide of that PowerPoint, you can see that my inequality is really big and I don't have any room to write on this slide. Here's another example of PowerPoint where it says to find the sum and difference of cubes, and you can see that there's nothing showing on this slide. When I switched to the PDF, you can see that I had two big equations that didn't show at all when I was in the PowerPoint. My second big tip for you is about polls. BigBlueButton can see when you have a question in your presentation and will offer to start a poll for you. As an example, I typed on this slide, discussions are due on Fridays, and I put in parentheses true or false. Immediately, BigBlueButton sees the true or false with a question mark and embeds a quick poll. When I click the quick poll, the students are prompted with the question, discussions are due on Fridays, true or false. It puts in the question and it gives the two responses. Here's a different type of question you can put into BigBlueButton. I gave the students a function and I said, can this be classified as 4 different choices? You can see the A, B, C, D where I click to say quick poll, and the students are presented with the 4 choices on their side as well. This could also be done with a yes-no question. Notice that I put in my question with parentheses, yes/no, question mark. Yes, no comes at the bottom. I hit quick poll, and the students are given the question with the 2 responses. The last tip is really meant for the students. Notice that when I have pictures of people at the top of the screen, it makes the presentation part a lot smaller. So if you're writing on the whiteboard or sharing a presentation, it may be hard for them to focus. If they click the 3 dots, they can go to a full screen presentation. In this view, they don't see the faces at all. They only look at the whiteboard or presentation being shared. They can also click the 3 dots, select Exit Full Screen, and go back to the presentation where they can see the camera views as well. I hope you find this helpful as you're teaching with BigBlueButton.